Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rai Mukherjee and I do videos on lifestyle, fashion and makeup. So if any of these things interest you, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell down below so that every time when I post a video, you are notified and we can hang together. So today's video is very special to me because I am going on a vacation. Yay! So I am going on a vacation after I guess more than a year. I think we all have been stuck in our house for at least a year, and I have been to my last vacation I think 1.5 years back. So well, I'm going on a beach vacation which is Goa. So today's video is all about pack with me. So how I pack for a beach vacation and all the things that I take. I just love watching videos when people are packing for a vacation. It is so exciting, and well, I got an opportunity to go on a vacation after such a long time. So I thought, hey, let me share my excitement with you guys, include you in this packing vlog. So guys, I'm not at all an organized packer. In fact, I'm to some extent a compulsive overpacker. So whenever I'm packing, I feel like, okay, let me take this, let me take that. I might need that, I might wear that, and I don't end up wearing all of it. So for this vacation, I'm trying to self-implement some discipline on my packing skills, and I don't think I'm going to pack very little, but then I'm trying to reduce the kind of things that I pack by applying some kind of logic. You'll see. I'm going on a week-long vacation to Goa and I'm going to vlog everything that I do there. So if you love travel vlogs, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel and you won't be disappointed. So enough of chit chat. So let's get started with the packing. But before that, I did a small shopping. I did a small shopping from Myntra, and I bought a couple of dresses, a few things from Myntra, and I thought that I'll show it to you first and then we'll move on to the packing part. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the first thing. So this is the first thing that I got. I got this very cute flip-flops from Dressberry. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is from Dressberry. So this is a must, when you're going to the beach and when you're going near the water. So these rubber slippers are the best. So this is how it looks. Alright, so the next thing is I got this beautiful crop top. So this is the crop top that I got, and this is from the brand called Texo, and it is in the size XL. So I really like this print. It's so cute and so pretty. And the next thing quickly is this very pretty polka dot dress. These are all summer dresses or beach dresses. These are all knee length. So I just love this. I love how this looks, and this is in the size L. And this is also from the brand Dressberry. So I'm going to put photos here, this side or this side. And if you want to see me wearing these and styling these, I've not worn them yet. So I'm going to wear them in Goa. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of fashion videos and lifestyle videos and reels on Instagram. So I'm sure you will love that. So join me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box below. Alright, so the next thing is this red dress. So this is also a summer dress. This is a backless kind of a dress. Like it only has a tie at the back. I really like this. This is in the size medium, if I'm not wrong. Just a minute. Yeah, this is from a brand called Berry Lush, and this is the size medium. So this is how it looks. The next is this very cute mustard dress. This is also a Dressberry vacation, like a summer dress, and I really like this spaghetti. I love to wear spaghettis, especially in the beach or during the summers. And this is in the size medium. Yeah, this is also in size medium. And the last thing that I got is this only crop top. I got this in sale, it was like for 600 or 700, but now the price is more, and even this is in the size L. So I basically look at the measurements, and based on that I decide it's L or an M. So I highly suggest that whenever you're going to buy from any online website, you should definitely see the size, because brand to brand the size will differ. So you should see the size and also the corresponding measurement, like chest measurement or waist measurement or shoulder measurement, something like that. So it'll help you get the perfect size for you. So yeah, I really like it. It's very simple. It's a basic tee and crop top, and it has this favorita written here. Yeah. So there's one more thing. Hold on. Got these loose fitted comfortable shorts. This is in the waist 32 and or size L, and the brand is this Zastra. You can see the size is L. So yeah, this is high-waisted and it's very flowy and loose, and I really like these comfortable shorts. So that was my mini haul from Myntra, and rest all the things that I'm carrying is something that I've owned for some time now. Few of them will be from Shein, few will be from Myntra, from Fashion Nova. So I'll just show you my outfits. Okay, so let's go into the packing part. And so I just wanted to discuss the order in which I'm going to show you my packing. So first is I have decided on my outfits. So I'm going for 7 days. So I have picked out 14 outfits. Like I have chosen 14 outfits that I'm going to wear like morning and evening, because when I'm going to the beach, I'm mostly going to be by the sea, in the sea or whatever, so I might get I might get wet, or I might be sweaty. So I'm keeping 2 options, and I'm going to show you those outfits, and followed by that I'm going to show you the accessories. I'm just going to quickly run you through the accessories, because if I have to show you in details, this video will be a day long, so I don't want you to put you through that. And after that I'm going to quickly move on to the toiletries and the skincare that I'm carrying, and also some makeup that I'm carrying. And not to forget, since I'm going to vlog the entire trip, and so I'm carrying a lot of my instruments, like I'm carrying my small tripod, big tripod, and I'm going to show you everything that I'm carrying, and my bag. And also quickly I'm going to show you the carry-on luggage. So oh my god, okay, there's so many things that I need to show you, so let's get started quickly. So first thing first, guys, I made a huge list, like you can see, of everything that I could think of, that I could come up with, that I need to carry, which is important. So this is here, and I'm going to choose based on this, and then I'm going to tick off stuff, right, so that we don't forget things, because I tend to forget things. Okay guys, so like I was saying, that I have prepared outfits, so I prepared 14 to 15 outfits here, so it's easy for me to plan every day, and also it keeps me in check, so that I don't end up taking a lot of stuff. So I'll just quickly walk you through them. So these are a bunch of cover-ups. So this is a swimsuit cover-up, this is a denim long jacket, and this is a dress which I'll use it as a cover-up, and this is another cover-up because of the sun. You have no idea how hot it will be. Alright, so this is a jumpsuit, and here I have a bunch of summer dresses, few of them that I showed you, and this is the shorts, and I have paired some tees with it, and this is one this is a trouser, and I'm going to wear that only cropped up with this. I'm also taking a denim skirt, an animal print skirt, and I'm going to pair them with these tees. So if you want to see how I style these clothes, then do follow me on Instagram. And I'm very consistent on Instagram, and I intend to post a lot of reels and a lot of photos from my Goa trip. So I'm looking forward to have you there. Alright, so these are the outfits. So let's move on to the accessories and start putting them in place. Moving on to makeup, guys, I'm going to use this cute bag to take my makeup. Guys, so this is how the bag looks. So the inside of the bag, so I'm going to quickly put in stuff like I'm going to put stuff in order, so I don't forget things. So let's start with the primer. So there's a foundation, I'm using this part, right, and then I'm using I'm taking a concealer, the eyebrow pencil. I'm taking one small this contour from KY Katrina, a contour stick. I'm not sure I'll be using it, just have it. And I have a kohl. One is about to get over, I'm taking both of them. And yeah, so I'm taking the bronzer. This is the setting spray that I'm taking, so I'll put it here. A mascara, which is a must, because I think I'll mostly be living with I'll mostly be using a mascara, a kohl, and lipstick. That's it. And then okay, so a highlighter. This is a highlighter. I swear by this one, and this will look amazing on tan skin. So yeah, I'll just quickly take some lipsticks. I love this coral shade. So yeah, one nude. This is a Globetrotter. I love this. This is very orangey terracotta shade, so this is something I definitely love, and I'm going to wear this. So coral nude terracotta, and I'm taking a red. Of course, I'm taking these bullet lipsticks because these are very easy to use. I'm sure I won't be needing so many, but I'm still taking them. So these have like mauve, brownish nude, and I also have the pink. So I'll just put them here. So yeah, okay, totally forgot about this. This is the K by Katrina setting powder, loose setting powder. Very useful thing. So I put this here. I'll just take quickly some eyeshadow palette. So here I have put the eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, I'm using two small, you know, Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. So this is the All I See Magic. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette, and this is Cute AF. This has a sunsetty vibe to it, so I think this will go nicely with the beach, you know, with beach vacation. So I'm taking these, and that's all the makeup I'm taking. Well, you might see some bindi here. Well, that's because it was already there, and I don't think it's necessary to remove them. So yep, that's it. That's all I'm taking here. Okay guys, so I'm carrying this blush palette because it has 4 shades, so it's pretty useful and handy. It comes with a mirror. So I'm taking this. The makeup compartment is done. Guys, so this is the toiletries bag that I have. It has been used and abused so much. I got this from Amazon. It's very cheap. It was around 350, and it is very useful. So you can use it to carry stuff. It can carry a lot of stuff. Pardon me because it's a bit dirty. So it has, like, you know, multiple compartments. It has compartments here, as you can see, multiple compartments on the side. It has zip here and here, and the best part is if you go to the washroom, you don't need to bring out your things. You don't need to bring out your toiletries separately. It has a hook, so you can definitely find a place to just hang this and you can use it. So I try not to make it very heavy, otherwise it might tear, but so far it has given me amazing service. So let's just quickly walk you through everything that I'm going to take for toiletries. So I'm taking this shampoo. I need shampoo every day, so it'll fit here. Just see how easily it will fit here. So this is the shampoo, and must for a beach vacation is a sunscreen lotion. I'm taking this Lotus SPF 50, and this is totally sealed. I just got delivered from Amazon. And then moving on to quick skincare that I'm taking. So I'm using I'm trying out Myoho skincare. So, you know, for quite some time now. So this is my morning skincare routine that I'm going to take. So I'm going to use this toner, this serum, and then definitely the morning cream, and then I'm using the sunscreen lotion. So I'm using them, taking them too. This is my eye cream. This is small Innisfree Perfect 9 to 5 eye cream. So this is a must, a makeup remover. This is the makeup remover that I carry. I use this like I've been using this for the past 5-7 years, for as long as I can remember doing makeup, and this is amazing. This is the Neutrogena. I'm sure you're aware of this. I'm sorry for the fur. I have a cat, so I'm a cat mom. Anyway, so this is the oil-free eye makeup remover. It removes everything. So, and I'm really happy with this, and I'm taking this. So yeah, and I'm taking all the makeup removing, you know, like wipes or cotton pads here. This is enough space, so I'm keeping these here. And also the face wash. This is the face wash. This is the face wash that I'm taking. So yeah, a must for bongs, I believe, is Borolin. So for dry feet, dry palms, chapped lips, always comes to rescue. So I always have this handy. So this will get in here. Also carrying my vitamin C serum. So yeah, that's all it will be able to take. So this is how it's looking right now. Hold on. This is how it's looking right now. So this is totally filled. So the makeup bag is ready. The toiletries is ready. This is where I'm carrying all the makeup brushes. I really like to compartmentalize things because it's very easy for me to, you know, find them, search for them in the suitcase. Well, there are a couple of things I couldn't fit in the compartmental these bags. So I'm going to put them with my clothes, like this moisturizer, and I'm carrying 2 perfumes. These 2. So I'm going to put them with my clothes. Okay, now let's take you through my carry-on bag. Okay, so this is my carry-on bag. This is a small, you know, tote bag that I'm carrying here. And I'm going to reach Goa, and I'm going to empty this, and I will be using this as an everyday bag as well. So this is how it looks. I really like the boho feel that it gives, although the one downside is that it has got no zips and does not have much of a compartment apart from just these 2 small places where you can keep your masks and stuff. But I have made compartments of my own, and that should be fine. So yeah, I'm keeping one of my sunglasses here, and there are a couple of medicines. boring stuff. I'm keeping 2 to 3 masks here. I'll be washing and reusing them. This is a roll-on deo. And I really like the fragrance of this, so I'll keep this handy. I'm currently reading this book. Have any one of you read this? I really find it interesting, so I can't wait to finish this. So I'm going to carry this book. A document that I just need a document, so I'm carrying my passport in this fancy cover. Wallet. And since makeup brushes, do not have any, it's not liquid, so generally, like, during the carry-on check-in, there is not much of an issue. So if there is not enough space in my suitcase, I'm going to put this also in this bag. For now, I'm keeping it here. So yeah, and this is a small, utility pouch that I carry. So it has a bunch of stuff, like, it has a small mirror, a Borelin, a broken comb. Well, it's just the perfect size to be in this bag. A compact powder, and I have a lipstick, I believe. Yeah, I have my favorite nude lipstick, Nefertiti from Nykaa, and a scrunchie for an emergency. So yeah, that's it. So this is all that goes into my carry-on bag, and also my everyday bag in the beach. So this is ready as well. Okay guys, so this is the suitcase that I'm carrying, and this is the luggage that I'm not carrying. That's my cat. Hi Cooper. Hi. Alright, so this part I'll start putting stuff here on this part. I'm going to start putting my clothes and the accessories and the bags that we just made compartmentalized. So let's start. So I'm taking these stuff because I want to shoot some good fashion content and I don't want to miss out on that. So that's why I'm carrying so many things. So I was, I think I was wrong that the only carry-on I need is this, which was totally a miscalculation. So I'm using this bag as well to use it as a carry-on. This is from Decathlon. I really like the color. It's very bright and it has a lot of space. So I'm going to put in some stuff here as well. These are all the things that I need because I want to shoot vlogs and I want to shoot outfit videos and photos. Like mostly I want to push out content even when I'm there. So that's why these things I'll have to carry. This is a big tripod. This is the DSLR which takes good still photos. This is the power bank. Its respective charger. This is a clicker which helps in taking photos. You don't need to come and click on the phone. You can just connect by Bluetooth and you can just hold this and click it and the photo or video will start. And this is a headphone. This is another clicker. Don't need two. I got this complimentary with the tripod. And also I'm taking this mic. This is the Boya mic, and this is a portable handheld tripod that I'm carrying. Gorilla tripod. I am not carrying this. I'm not carrying the ring light. Apologies for the mess. This is how it becomes when I'm shooting. So yeah, I'm not taking the ring light, I'm only taking the mic and this portable tripod. So yeah. Okay guys, so packing is done. This is all my stuff. Hi guys, so this is my tired face again. I am done with the packing. I am so happy. I can't even tell you that I'm traveling tomorrow and I'm done today by 3 p.m. I was proactive this time because I wanted to shoot a video and share it with you guys. So I'm so happy that the packing is done and everything is within the weight measurement. And also I the video is totally short, so all I have to do is edit it, and I wish to post it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day I travel to Goa, so I want to post this packing video by then. And hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul and this packing vlog with me, and stay tuned for more vlogs from Goa. Till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to subscribe.